Anna, look at these croissants.
Whoa, they look delicious.
Now, can we buy croissants for breakfast?
Tomorrow is Sunday.
Oh, it's not
Sunday breakfast.
That is a good idea.
We can have coffee and croissants. No. No?
Okay, how many do we need?
3. 1 for you, 1 for me, and 1 for Lily.
But Lily is small. Maybe a small croissant for Hema? Hey,
No, she eats a lot on Sunday mornings. A large croissant is okay.
Okay, take 3 chocolate croissants.
Chocolate? Oh, yes. I love chocolate croissants.
be careful. Don't squash them. They are soft.
I am very careful. I am putting them on top of the potatoes.
Good job.
Wait, Lily likes muffins too. Oh,
We have croissants, Alex. No muffins today.
but look, these are blueberry muffins. Her favorite.
Alex, too much sugar is bad for her teeth.
Just 1 box? For Monday?
No, Alex. We have apples and bananas for Monday.
Okay, you are the boss. No muffins.
Thank you. Let's go to the dairy section.
Okay, goodbye, bakery.
Goodbye, Smells.
Brrr. It is cold here.
Yes, it is the dairy section. Milk needs to be cold.
I know. Let's be quick. It is freezing.
Okay, check the list. Milk,
Ooh. We need milk for cereal and for coffee.
and Lily drinks a glass of warm milk before bed.
Right. Right. So we need a lot of milk.
Let's take 2 big bottles.
Two liters or 4 liters?
Let's take 2 bottles. Each bottle is 2 liters.
That is 4 liters total. Is that too much?
No, it is not too much. Remember last week? We finished the milk on Thursday.
You are right. No milk for coffee is bad.
Exactly. So take 2 big bottles.
Can you check the date, please?
My hands are cold. Give me the bottle. The date is October 25th.
Is that good?
Yes, that is next week. It is fresh.
Okay, 2 bottles in the cart. Heavy bottles.
Now, yogurt.
Does Lily want yogurt?
Yes, she takes yogurt to school sometimes.
What flavor does she like?
She likes strawberry and peach.
I see strawberry yogurt here.
Is it a big pot or small cups?
It is a pack of 6 small cups.
That is perfect for her lunchbox. Whoa.
6 strawberry yogurts. Do you want yogurt?
No, I don't want strawberry. Do they have plain yogurt?
Natural? Yes, here is a big tub of natural yogurt. 0 sugar.
That is for me. Put it in the cart.
Okay. Strawberry for Lily, natural for Anna.
And for Alex? Do you want yogurt? Sas?
No, I want cheese. Where is the cheese?
Here is the cheese.
We need cheese for sandwiches. Cheddar cheese.
Do you want a block of cheese or sliced cheese?
Sliced cheese is easier. I am lazy in the morning.
Okay, let's get sliced cheddar cheese. 1 pack.
And we need cheese for pizza.
Are we making pizza?
Yes, maybe on Friday. Homemade pizza.
Okay, then we need mozzarella.
Grated mozzarella or a ball of mozzarella?
Grated is better for pizza. It melts well.
Okay, 1 bag of grated mozzarella.
Anything else here?
Butter. We have no butter at home.
Oh, good memory. We need butter for the toast.
Salted butter or unsalted butter?
Salted butter tastes better on toast. I agree. 1 block of salted butter.
And cream?
Do we need cream?
Ah, yes. Creamy chicken pasta. We need cream. Small carton or large carton?
A small carton is enough.
Okay. Milk, yogurt, cheese, butter, cream.
Are we done with dairy? Wait. Eggs. Oh.
Eggs are not dairy, but they are here.
Yes, the eggs are next to the milk.
We need eggs for breakfast and for baking.
How many eggs? A dozen?
Yes, 12 eggs.
A dozen. Okay, I am taking this box.
Alex, stop. Check the eggs.
Why?
Sometimes they are broken. Open the box.
Okay, I am opening the box.
Look at them. Are they cracked?
Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at this one.
Is it broken?
Yes, this egg is cracked. It is a mess.
Don't take that box. Put it back. Take another one.
Okay, checking the second box. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 12 are perfect.
Good. Close the box carefully.
The eggs are in the cart, safe and sound.
Can we leave the cold section now?
Yes, please. My nose is cold.
Okay, let's go to the meat section.
Okay, the meat section.
What is the plan for dinner?
We need chicken.
Lily loves chicken.
We had chicken on Tuesday.
Chicken is healthy and easy to cook.
Okay, do we want a whole chicken or chicken pieces?
A whole chicken takes a long time to cook. Let's buy chicken breast.
Chicken breast is dry. I like chicken legs.
But Lily likes chicken breast. It is soft for her to chew.
Okay, let's compromise. Buy chicken breast for Lily and me, and
And chicken legs for you?
No, just chicken breast is fine. I will eat it.
Look at this pack. It has 4 big pieces.
How much is it?
It is $10.
That is a good price.
Is it fresh? Sell by October 26th.
That is tomorrow. We must cook it today or tomorrow.
That is okay. I will cook it tonight.
Okay, put the chicken in the cart.
Be careful with the juice. I will put it in a separate plastic bag.
Good idea.
We don't want raw chicken juice on the apples.
Yuck! No, definitely not. Do we need beef?
We need minced meat
For what?
for spaghetti bolognese.
You love spaghetti bolognese.
Yes, I do. And Lily loves pasta too.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Exactly. So we need 500 grams of minced beef.
Look, here is the beef. Lean beef or regular beef?
Lean beef is better, less fat.
But fat gives flavor.
Alex, we are trying to be healthy.
Okay. Lean minced beef, 1 pack.
Thank you.
What about sausages?
Sausages are not very healthy.
But they are delicious for breakfast with eggs.
Maybe just a small pack?
Yes, a small pack of pork sausages.
Please? Okay, grab a small pack. But don't tell the doctor.
I won't tell. It is our secret.
Now, fish.
Does Lily like fish today?
She needs to eat fish. It is good for her brain.
What fish is good? Salmon?
Yes, salmon is good. It is pink. Lily likes the color pink.
That is true. She likes pink clothes, pink toys, and maybe pink fish.
Look at these salmon fillets. They look fresh.
They are very expensive today. Look at the price.
Oh, wow. $20 for a kilo.
That is too much.
Do we really need salmon? Maybe we can buy whitefish? Cod?
Cod is cheaper. Look, $12.
Okay, let's try cod. We can bake it with cheese.
Fish with cheese? That sounds strange.
No, it is tasty. Trust me.
Okay, 2 pieces of cod. No bones?
Check for bones. Lily is small. Bones are dangerous.
Oh, the label says boneless fillets.
Perfect. 2 pieces of boneless cod. Into the cart.
Okay, dry food aisle. This is my favorite aisle. Oh.
Why?
Because pasta is here. And
Cookies.
We already have cookies. Focus on dinner food.
Okay, we have the beef for bolognese. Now we need...
The pasta. We need spaghetti.
we have spaghetti at home.
I saw a box in the cupboard.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Is the box full or empty?
I think it is half full.
That is not enough for 3 people. Let's buy 1 more box.
Okay, spaghetti number 5?
Yes, number 5 is good. Not too thin, not too thick.
Okay, 1 box of spaghetti.
And we need pasta for Lily.
Ah.
Lily likes the funny shapes.
Yeah.
Yes, she likes the butterflies or the spirals.
Look, here are the butterflies. Farfalle.
Okay, grab a bag of farfalle.
She likes to play with them on her plate.
As long as she eats them, I am happy.
Rice. We need rice.
We eat a lot of rice with chicken.
Yes. We need a big bag.
5 kilos is heavy.
Can I lift it? You are strong, Alex.
Okay, watch me. Hup. The rice is in the cart. Basmati rice?
Yes, basmati. It smells nice when we cook it.
Good. Now, sauce. Tomato sauce for the pasta.
Should we make sauce or buy sauce?
Making sauce takes time.
Buying sauce is fast. You are lazy today, Alex.
Yeah.
It is Saturday. I want to relax. Oh,
Okay, let's buy 2 jars of tomato sauce.
with garlic and basil? Yes, garlic and basil flavor is good.
1 jar, 2 jars.
Glass jars, be careful. Put them near the bread. Don't break them.
Hello, how are you today?
Hello. We are fine, thank you.
We are tired.
We have a lot of food.
Milk, bread, apples, bananas, chicken.
Oh, don't forget the eggs. Be careful.
I am being careful. The eggs are safe. Okay, let's pack the bags.
Oh, put the heavy things at the bottom.
Right. The potatoes and the milk go first.
And the bread and the eggs go on top.
Good idea.
We have 5 full bags. The cart is empty now.
Let's go to the car. I am ready for lunch.
Me too.
Let's go home to Lily.